Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. I want to let you know about a class that we have coming to KW Houston Memorial on October 9th. And this is going to be a full day of AI, lead generation, techniques that are going to change your business overnight and change them for the better. We're going to start with get on the first page of Google in days, which is going to be the fastest way for all of you to get on the first page of Google for free. It's going to be infused with AI. Then we're going to be talking video marketing for real estate in the afternoon, but we're also going to be throwing in ChatGPT for your business, and it's going to be more than just ChatGPT. I'm going to share with you tons of AI tools and techniques that are going to help to build and grow your business. And then we're going to wrap up the day with riches in the niches. Again, a unique opportunity to build and grow your business no matter what the market is doing in real estate. If you can focus on the rich in the niche, you're going to make some money. And this is a session that is going to be exclusively in person at KW Houston Memorial. All you got to do is sign up below, and I will see you guys on October 9th. Thanks.